All right. Honest Amish classic beard oil. A lot of guys think that, this is beard oil is just something that a guy with a longer beard needs. No, no, no. I have a pretty short beard. Any beard at all, it's good to be using beard oil. It's not just for the hair. A lot of guys think that it's for the skin underneath the beard. It's to moisturize the skin. So if you're looking for something to shape your beard oil is not what you want to be using. You want to be using a beard balm, shaping balm, basically. It's to help hold its shape and keep it where you want it to be. Beard oil is a moisturizer for the hair and the skin underneath the beard. This is a great, great beard oil. Really good ingredients, pumpkin seed. It's got a number of different ingredients. For you guys that just want a beard oil, this is what I would go with, the classic. This is a small company that makes this out of Pennsylvania, so it's made right here in the US of A. Now, if you do have a longer beard, they do offer a Honest Amish Premium, which has even more ingredients. But I like this classic. Been around for a long time when the beard oil game began. This is one of the ones that came out, and it's a go-to. This is a really good beard oil at a fraction of the cost of some of these beard oils out there, and it's just as good, if not better. I mean, it doesn't weigh your beard down if you have a longer beard. It's not greasy, softens the hair, feels really good, and the scent, I like the scent. You probably heard me say earlier, pumpkin seed, all natural ingredients in this stuff. It doesn't smell like pumpkin. You get a little bit of that, but it kind of has a very light black licorice kind of smell to it, just a manly scent. But if you're like, I don't want that clashing with my cologne, it won't. After you put it on, put it in, rub it, get it down to the skin, give it 20, 30 seconds, and that scent does begin to calm down a little bit, and it's not a loud scent. What I mean by that, it's not overkill scent wise, but as far as how it's going to make your beard feel, the softness of the whiskers, this is the go-to for me. I probably won't ever use anything else. That's how much I like this stuff. So I'm not saying that there's not other companies that make great beard oils, but for the price point, you cannot beat this stuff. You can go on Amazon, you can see that's a good size bottle. It's a 2-ounce bottle, and this goes for about $12, and it's going to last me a good long while. Having a short beard, this is going to last me quite some time. When I need another one, I'll buy another one. And it's got the dropper. You unscrew it, drop some in your palm, rub it in, good to go. Very, very good beard oil. And top-notch quality. Been out for a long time. Very good beard oil. So if you've never tried it, guys, get you a bottle. I think you'll like it. Really good stuff. And like I say again, they do make a Honest Amish Premium. If you do have a longer beard and you want just a little bit more, you can try that one as well, the Premium. But I love this one, the classic, just the original recipe, I guess you would say, classic beard oil. It's good stuff. Very good stuff. All right. You guys take it easy. Thank you for watching. Bye.